Hey there! Life update with Wolfie. So, few things that have been happening since we last talked. I have a bunch of ink and it's still in process and still healing. Voice is continuing to change and it's super awesome. And then also, I had to do a brief break in testosterone just because pharmacies in the area actually ran out. So apparently, lots of changing people around. That's awesome. I love to see that. So, I mean, kind of sucks that we ran out of testosterone, but that's still, people are becoming their true selves. So that's great to hear. And otherwise, life's been pretty good. I did have emergency surgery 2 weeks ago. Healing just fine from that. And yeah, I don't know. But if you guys have any questions for me, please comment below and I will be happy to answer anything or, you know, just like and subscribe. Some of you guys follow me on Facebook, and I really appreciate that as well. I'm going to change the follow me on Facebook to some of you guys are friends of mine on Facebook, and always feel free to message me as well. Bye.